In this tutorial, I'll show you the practical on how to remove all viruses from your PC or laptop. And it will actually clean up your Windows laptop, not just the basic scans. And we will not be using any heavy software or confusing settings. It's just the safe methods that improve performance, protects your data, and make your PC faster, and removing all types of viruses. So the very first step here is to clean up the junk from the computer. And to do that, we need to do a right click in the start icon, and then we will click on run. And here we will type clean mgr. I'll maximize it so that you can type it CLEAN mgr. Once you have typed it, click on OK, and you will find disk cleanup utility. Now, please make sure you select your drive where the OS is installed. In most of the cases, C drive is the drive. So I'll click on OK. And now here you will find downloaded programs, temporary internet files. These are all the junk which we need to remove. You can also select the recycle bin, temporary files. And once you have selected all, just click on OK. And this will clean up the junk and unnecessary files on your machine. Once this is done, you can again press Window and R key together, or simply do a right click on the start icon and then run. Here we will type temp, 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 and we will hit enter and then press Ctrl A and Shift Delete and hit enter. So we are actually cleaning this. This is another location where the temporary junk and infections stay. So we are going to remove that. Once this is done, again, we will open the run window by pressing Window and R. And this time we will type %temp%. And then we will click on OK. Now we will press Ctrl A to select all, and then Shift Delete to delete these junk. Now once this is done, you can skip few files which is remaining. That is absolutely fine. Once this is done, we need to use the Microsoft removal tool first to remove our. So if there is any normal infection, we can remove that. So we will press Window and R, and we will type MRT, and then we will click on OK. This will ask you to click on yes, and you will see a window which will say Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Click on next and do a quick scan, and it should not take more than 2 to 5 minutes, depends on your PC. And once this is done, if it's find any files infected, you can simply remove it. Let's say after doing this and after the restart, if you still have issues, then I would recommend to use the Malwarebytes. You can open your browser, type Malwarebytes. This is a very effective software. You can use it for one-time scan. So it is malwarebytes.com. We will open that, and you can download it and do a scan. And once it is done, you can simply uninstall it. And if you want to keep it, it is up to you. All right. So this is how you can remove virus from your computer. And please make sure after doing the scan, do a restart for the changes, for the effect. So do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.